So in today's video, we are going to see how to achieve aesthetic Indian makeup look.
Hi, this is Dipti and you're watching me on Femina.in. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Firstly, I'm gonna depuff my face using ice globes. I'm gonna apply my moisturizer and massage it right into my skin. Here I'm color correcting my dark circles and other pigmented areas by using a darker shade of concealer. Blending it all with a damp beauty sponge. Here I'm mixing a liquid highlighter with my foundation and applying it all over my face. Blending my foundation with the same damp beauty sponge. Applying a lighter shade of concealer under my eyes, also on my eyelids for the eyeshadow to pop. Center of the forehead and bridge of my nose. Blending it all in. Setting everything with a loose powder. Dusting some more all over my face. Warming up the face by applying a bronzer on my cheekbones and jawline. Applying highlighter on my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Moving on to my eyes, I'm picking up a neutral shade and applying in the outer corner and slowly building that up, creating an illusion of a crease. With a bluish grayish eyeshadow, creating a depth in the outer corner, applying the brown neutral eyeshadow on my lower lash line, applying a beige liner on my waterline to open up those eyes. As it's an aesthetic Indian look, I'm taking a champagney golden color and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Highlighting my inner corner too. With a blackish grey eyeshadow, I'm creating a tiny little wing. Our look is incomplete without false lashes, so I'm gonna quickly pop them on. Topping it off with a coat of mascara. Don't forget your lower lashes. Filling my eyebrows for a fuller look. Using a pinky nude lip liner to outline my lips. Finishing my look using a soft matte neutral color on my lips. And we are done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.